Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 7th, 2025, and we're diving into Expedia Group's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year 2024. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to discuss Expedia's performance and what it means for investors.
Expedia has just released their Q4 and full year 2024 results, showing impressive growth in several key areas. Let's break it down. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Expedia reported a revenue of $3.184 billion for the fourth quarter, which is a 10% increase year over year. John, can you elaborate on this growth?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is driven by a 13% increase in gross bookings, reaching $24.422 billion. This reflects strong travel demand and effective execution across their B2C and B2B segments. Notably, their net income grew by 124%, showcasing significant profitability improvements.
And how did this impact their earnings per share?
Expedia's adjusted EPS for the quarter was $2.39, which is a substantial increase from $1.72 in the same quarter last year. This exceeded the analyst forecast of $1.38, highlighting their strong financial performance.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Expedia has also shown improvements in operational efficiencies. Can you tell us more about their EBITDA and margin expansion?
Sure. Their adjusted EBITDA increased by 21% to $643 million, with a margin expansion of 175 basis points. This indicates that Expedia is effectively managing its costs and optimizing its operations. Additionally, they've reinstated a quarterly dividend of 40 cents per share, reflecting confidence in their long-term outlook.
They also repurchased over 12 million shares. How does this impact investors?
The share buyback, amounting to $1.6 billion, is a positive signal to investors. It demonstrates Expedia's commitment to returning value to shareholders and can potentially enhance earnings per share by reducing the number of outstanding shares.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. Expedia's CEO Ariane Gorin mentioned that the results exceeded expectations. What strategic initiatives contributed to this success?
According to CEO Ariane Gorin, the strong execution and better-than-expected travel demand were key drivers. Both B2C and B2B bookings growth accelerated, with lodging bookings up 12% and hotel bookings up 14% in the fourth quarter. This reflects their strategic focus on enhancing their core consumer brands and expanding their B2B business.
It seems like Expedia is well-positioned for future growth. What are your thoughts on their strategic direction?
Expedia's focus on leveraging technology and expanding their market reach is promising. Their ability to adapt to changing travel trends and consumer preferences will be crucial for sustaining growth in the coming years.
Key takeaways. In summary, Expedia has delivered a strong performance in Q4 2024 with impressive revenue and earnings growth. Their strategic initiatives and operational efficiencies have positioned them well for future success. John, any final thoughts?
Expedia's results are indeed impressive, and their commitment to shareholder returns through dividends and share buybacks is encouraging. Investors should keep an eye on their strategic execution and market dynamics moving forward.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Expedia's performance in the comments below.